Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial, I will show you guys that how can you create circular stretch effect on your photos using Photoshop. Just a few simple steps, so without further ado let's get started. First of all, open your photo in Photoshop and crop it. I have already cropped this photo, as you can see, because cropping a photo is too much time consuming. And also create a white background under the cropped photo. So let's get to work. Create a gradient like I'm doing. Here you can choose whatever color you want. Change style to radial. Click the reverse option, and increase the scale value. Now click on the layer 1. And select the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection from the center of the image. Press or command Ctrl+J. Now press Ctrl+T. Stretch the selection to the edges of the photo from both sides. Press Ctrl+0. And drag it to the top. Again select the layer 1, and repeat the process. But this time make a selection below from the center of the image. Press Ctrl+J, press Ctrl+T. Stretch it to the edges from both sides. And drag it to the top. Now again click on layer 1, select rectangular marquee tool, and make a selection like this. Press Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T, drag it to the edges from both sides. And drag it to the top. Hold Ctrl key on keyboard and select these 3 layers and press E key with holding Ctrl key. Go to FSE and distort and then polar coordinates. Click OK. Now press Ctrl+T and hold Shift+Alt key and enlarge the circular stretch until it fits to the image. Drag this layer beneath the layer 1. Now select the eraser tool and remove the upper unwanted area of the circle. right click on the layer 1 and choose blending option. Here tick the drop shadow. And adjust the values like I'm doing. Now right click on the drop shadow option beneath the layer 1 and select create layer. Now select the eraser tool and remove the shadow which is out from the circle. Select the gradient layer and add a new empty layer. Select the brush tool and follow my steps. Here make sure your selected color must be black. Add a new empty layer again and do it like I do. Press Ctrl plus T, hold Shift plus Alt key and elongate it from right. Select layer 4, press Ctrl plus T, hold Shift plus Alt key and elongate it a little bit. Hold Ctrl key and select the both layers and press Ctrl plus G to make a group of it. Reduce the opacity and adjust the shadow. So we did it. Now it's upon you whether you want it on gradient background or on the real background. Both of them looks amazing, as you can see the difference. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe the channel for more Photoshop related videos. Peace.